My son was watching TikTok, and he said if you take marshmallows, put them in the microwave, they enlarge. Let's see if they do or not. Now you put them on 30 seconds, and let's see what you do. They're enlarging as they go around. But they did theirs with big marshmallows. It actually works. They're getting bigger. Look at them. Look how big they are. Yeah, they're bigger. And they was bigger than that in the microwave. And then when you eat them, see, they're real soft. Look. And they taste like candy. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Thanks for watching. But now they did their experiment with big marshmallows. So try it for 30 seconds in the microwave and see what you get. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking. Bye.